In this video, I want to show you how to lower the rear seats of your Land Rover LR2. So the first step is not to go on the top here where you find the button. The first step is to actually find a loop in the middle. You see, there's one here, there's one over there on this seat. And we simply need to stick your finger and then pull on it. Put the seat cushion in a vertical position, and then the backrest can now fold simply by pressing over here. Once you see the color red, it means it's unlocked, and just like that the rear seat is now folded, and you're gonna have more space to put your stuff. Obviously here there's a floor that is missing, but you get the idea. To put everything back, you simply need to slam the backrest first and then put the seat cushion back in place, and this is about it. Obviously you may found some stuff over here you forgot, some change, some knickknacks, but yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.